Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a shelf-stable shampoo ginger hair shampoo. Shampoo ginger, also known as Awapuhi, is a tropical plant native to Southeast Asia and commonly grown in Hawaii. It belongs to the ginger family like turmeric and galangal and is famous for its bright cone-shaped flower heads that produce a fragrant liquid. This liquid, known for its mild sudsing properties, is used as a natural shampoo, conditioner, and even a skin moisturizer, giving the plant its name Shampoo Ginger. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jara and this is Roland, and I love to share my favorite recipes, crafts, and homemade products, all focused on fresh, healthy, and wholesome ingredients, many of which I grow right in my own home garden, like this shampoo ginger. If you're interested in learning more about gardening and how to grow your own shampoo ginger, I encourage you to check out my other YouTube channel, Jara's Garden, which is linked in my bio. Shampoo ginger liquid is popular in hair care because it smooths hair, reduces frizz, and repairs damage. It also nourishes the scalp, combats dandruff, and is believed to stimulate hair follicles, promoting natural hair growth. Traditionally, Hawaiians use freshly squeezed shampoo ginger to hydrate and soothe their skin, making it an excellent natural remedy for both hair and skin care. Alright, so let's get into making this quick and easy shelf-stable, meaning it should last for many months at room temperature, shampoo ginger hair shampoo. Let's go into the garden and harvest some fresh shampoo ginger liquid. My plants bloom all summer long, so I just go outside and squeeze the flower cones. I collect the liquid in a bowl. The liquid has a lovely ginger floral scent. Here is what you need to make this shampoo. You can find the recipe with directions on my website, which I will link in the description below. To begin making the shampoo, start by straining the liquid. Sometimes dirt or other particles can get into it. I'm using a very fine mesh painter's bag, or you can use cheesecloth. The liquid color will range from clear to a honey brown color, which is completely normal. Then I gently mix the strained shampoo ginger liquid with castile liquid soap base in a bowl. Next, we add some vegetable glycerin, some jojoba oil, and argan oil. Gently mix everything together. The next items are optional, but I like to add them. You can add a few drops of essential oils. I really like using rosemary essential oil for hair products because it promotes hair growth. And lastly, I like to add a few drops of a good quality fragrance oil to make the shampoo and my hair smell amazing. I really love the fragrance oils from a website called Indigo Fragrance. And that's it. I like to pour it into 16-ounce plastic pump bottles and it's ready to be used. Look how this lathers up. This is very safe and gentle. Shampoo ginger and all the other ingredients I use to make this shampoo is non-toxic to pets. So I also use this as an all-natural shampoo on my dog Teddy, who has sensitive skin. And that's it. Now you have your own shelf-stable shampoo ginger hair shampoo packed with all the nourishing benefits of this amazing plant. It's great for keeping your hair smooth, reducing frizz, and promoting scalp health, all while being completely natural. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to make your own shampoo at home. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and do-it-yourself projects using fresh, wholesome ingredients. And if you're interested in growing shampoo ginger yourself, not only do I have guides on how to grow this plant on my Jara's Garden YouTube channel, but I also sell plants on my website because I'm a seed and plant nursery as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.